If you're looking for a simple way to qualify leads for your course, using quizzes is one of the most effective strategies. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use quizzes to automatically filter out the right prospects for your course without all the hassle. First, let's talk about why quizzes work so well for qualifying leads. Unlike basic forms, quizzes engage your audience. People love taking quizzes, and by using a quiz, you can collect valuable data on your leads while also offering them a personalized experience. This means you're not just asking for information, you're also giving them something fun in return. The key to making quizzes work for lead qualification is to design them strategically. You want your quiz to ask the right questions that help you understand where the lead stands in their journey and what their pain points are. For example, if you're teaching digital marketing, you could ask questions about their experience with social media, email marketing, or SEO. This helps you gauge how much they already know and what areas they need help with. Next, segment your audience. Once your quiz is complete, it's time to categorize your leads based on their answers. With the right quiz tool, you can set up automated workflows that assign different categories to your leads. For example, a beginner might receive a different offer or follow-up than someone who's already advanced. This targeted approach ensures you're offering the right course content to the right people, improving conversion rates and course satisfaction. Now, you may be wondering which quiz tool is best for this. I've tested several popular quiz building tools, and the software I recommend for course creators is one that provides easy-to-use templates, detailed lead segmentation, and automated follow-up sequences. And because you're watching this video, I've arranged an exclusive free trial for you in the description below. If you want to follow along, be sure to grab that trial and try out the software for yourself. To get the best results, remember to integrate your quiz with your email marketing system. This way, once someone finishes your quiz, they can immediately receive an email with tailored recommendations or next steps based on their quiz answers. This approach not only qualifies your leads, but also nurtures them toward the final sale. As a quick recap, start by designing a quiz that aligns with your course content, segment your leads based on their responses, and use automation to follow up with personalized content. This ensures you're focusing your efforts on the people who are most likely to benefit from your course, saving you time and boosting your conversions. Key takeaway: quizzes are a fantastic tool for qualifying leads because they engage your audience and provide valuable insights. By strategically designing your quiz, segmenting leads, and automating follow-ups, you can efficiently qualify leads and offer a personalized course experience. Don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below and try out the software we've covered in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.